Show me what you got.
I'm at my seat.
Oh, it says Sadie on there. I'll show it when it's done. You show me your candy first.
What's the candy?
What's your favorite one?
This one.
Oh, you like those?
Yeah.
What else did you get?
Awesome candy. Awesome candy, Dad.
Lots of candy?
What, these are markers.
They're crayons.
Yeah.
What was that other one that you got, that gummy one?
Where are the gummy ones?
The one that you thought was a toy?
Huh?
The one that you thought was a toy?
What are that?
Oh, what's that?
You see? His head was.
Oh, that one. Okay, can you say Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
Look at the camera. Say it now.
Happy Halloween. Where my seat?